This is a video to learn how to number all pages except first in MS Word document. So to apply this setting, we need some pages. So here we can see all pages has the numbers. Click here and in the last here insert the number and select it and make changes. So we have the 1 and 2 pages, and in the header area click on different first page. So first page has not number and second page will start number 2. If you want to make it start with number 1, select it and right click format page numbers, make it start 1 and click on OK and make it 0 here and click on OK. So we can see now all pages has the number except this first page. Thanks for watching.